Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the wildly caught clams. So prior to that, I spent 3 days purging the clams, the purified water and rock salt, plastic free salt. And then right now I'm heating. I think I dropped the oil, but anyway, so I been heating the extra virgin olive oil, organic, and then I'm gonna put that, and then I already grated some organic ginger and organic garlic, okay, and then pesticides free and organic certified. Woo! What was that? I love that sound. Here, and soy sauce. Okay? So this is certifications, and then I may add some jalapeño sauce with the USDA organic and Japanese organic certifications. Okay, so let's begin, everybody. Wow, what was the sound, huh? Don't worry about it. Things happen. The pain is a beautiful thing. So first, yeah. You don't have to put everything. You just want to saute without turning too goldy. Huh? Okay? Yeah. Then now we can go ahead put some clams. So roughly about 2 pounds. Okay? So 2 pounds. Right. This is beautiful, huh? Maybe I can. So some color variations, yeah, right, so it's quite big, it's not big, yeah, so now then put some handcrafted organic ginger brandy, okay. I'm not gonna put it right away, but I'm gonna put the rest. You know what? Why don't I dilute so that you don't lose the extract? Okay. Yeah. It's easy does it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And your sauce. There we have it. We only need 5 to maybe 10 minutes. Okay, so see you in a bit. Okay, let's take a look. Wow, isn't that nice? Yeah, it's ready. All right then. Wow, this is amazing. See, it took me less than 8 minutes to do so. Yeah. All right, so you guys can do the clam bake kind of thing here. All right, so it's called hamaguri in Japanese. Hamaguri, huh? Yeah. So geez, this is you know what? Let's take this one. Yeah. Don't forget to add some broth here. Okay. So garlicky, gingery flavor. So let's try this one. Okay, so here we have it. Okay, cheers. Ouch. You know what? Let's get with the. Oh, it's deadly hot, which I really love. Okay. Here we have it. Cheers. Oh. Awesome. So those of you have any chance to get this kind of clams, go for it. It's so good. Delicious. It's a simple seasonings. So organic jalapeno sauce, garlic, ginger, organic ginger, organic garlic, and organic soy sauce, and some ginger, handcrafted ginger infused brandy. That's about it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I do apologize in eating in front of you like this because the chef's privilege. Okay, so God bless you all. Bon appetit. Cheers. Woo. Bye.